Yeah, Curtis, a lot of damage, as you can see right now at this home on Clover Road in Williamsburg. The homeowner is an 80-year-old woman, and she tells us that she was home when this tree came crashing through her roof, taking out part of that along with her side porch. Now, this tree actually stood in a ravine behind her home, and the strong wind snapped it sometime around 3 this afternoon. Charlotte Hauk says her daughter had just finished clearing leaves in the backyard about 10 minutes earlier. Now there's a hole in the roof covered with a tarp from the fire department, along with some damage to the back porch and sunroom. Some of her electric also isn't working tonight. The 80-year-old tells me she was shaken up after this happened. Listen as she describes what it sounded like the moment that tree fell on her house.
It sounded like a bomb, and it even knocked a picture over in the kitchen.
That's what you get, I guess, when you live in the woods. Live out where there's trees, you're going to have this happen.
Now, Hauk tells me that she had 14 trees removed from behind her home earlier this year to prevent something just like this from happening. Tonight, she's hoping all of that rain and wind moves out quickly. Reporting live in Clermont County, Amanda Kelly, WLWT News 5.